Susan Beasley of angelarts.biz. Today I want to talk about my secret sauce of an excellent logo design. So I'm just going to talk about a few things that make a logo stand out. Now, I've been a graphic designer since 1993. And so, I've been in this for over 25 years. So just to say that I think I know a little bit of what I'm talking about. So a good logo has a few elements to it. First, it's pleasing to the eye. It's eye-catching. And then it's readable and simple. Very, very important. And then mostly it communicates a message, and it does it instantly. Every toddler knows what the golden arches are. Every one of them. So that is the power of a brand, specifically a McDonald's brand. The power of an image is that you can know what a business stands for and get that business in your mind from the get-go. Like, how could you forget the Coca-Cola brand, that logo? Or say the Apple logo. I know that when Steve Jobs created the Apple logo, he wanted something friendly, not so, let's say, headspace as the PC environment was back then. But he wanted a personal computer system that was friendly, so he chose the Apple Macintosh. So a brand, a logo image, which encapsulates that brand, it communicates that message, and for the most part, right off what that business does. Whether through the actual brand identity, the name of the business, or the slogan. For instance, when I built my husband's logo, Essential Pillar Architecture, first we came up with the name through a lot of strategic implementation and analysis and asking questions. And that's how we came up with the name. And then our slogan reflects back to that name in that it talks about robust building design. So you've got Essential Pillar Architecture, and then you've got the part about robust building design. And then you have an image of a pillar. And here's what I'm talking about. That's the logo that I designed for my husband. So you've got the pillar, which my husband drew by hand. And I made it different. I made it a circle to look different than the other architectural firms out there, because I noticed they were all rectangular and square. And I wanted him to stand out. So, and then his slogan, like I said, is safeguarding lives through strong and robust building design. It really explains his values, but the architecture and building design also help the person know what they're about. So, like, for instance, a long time ago, I had made a sweatshirt for my husband with the logo on it. And we were camping with our church group, and it was late at night. We were sitting around the campfire, and Travis was wearing the sweatshirt, and this guy goes, we'd never met him before. He looks at Travis, points to his shirt, and says, well, I know exactly what you do. That's the kind of power you want with your logo. That is the secret sauce. So I hope that motivates you as you plan and either design your logo yourself or have it designed, because these are things that you need to know to have an effective logo design, which is going to reflect on your brand. All right, so that's all for today in Branding for Success. This is Dana Susan Beasley of angelarts.biz. Together, may we reach new heights in our lives and beyond.